is the wizard. Do you read me, City Duck?
This is Peking Duck. I hear you, Blizzard.
Smells like I'm the wizard, and you're sitting duck.
I read you loud and clear, Lizard.
No, I'm. Forget it. You're not taking this seriously.
Yeah, I'm not. Look, Bentley, I know this is your first time out in the field, but you gotta loosen up. If we're gonna get to those clockwork parts, I need you on your toes. So in plain talk, what's your status?
Well, I've established myself in the basement, and I'm pretty sure I can rewire the service elevator if you can power it up from that security station.
Hang tough, pal. It might take some time, but I'll figure out a way to get up there.
Bonjour à toutes et à tous, bienvenue pour cette partie de ce jeu. Alors en gros, ce jeu, si vous avez bien compris ce que c'est, il faut s'introduire dans la porte ici. Apparemment, il y a un interrupteur à aller bouger. Et comment on fait pour ouvrir la porte? On ne peut pas. Attendez, on va mettre ça. Ça arrête pas de grésiller. C'est chiant. Il faut faire quoi là? Apparemment, il y a un interrupteur à aller bouger. On va aller voir ça, mais apparemment, il y a un interrupteur à aller bouger là-haut. Donc, on va aller voir s'il y a une... Dégage, putain. Il y a une porte? Ah bah si, on peut aller plus vite. Est-ce qu'on peut aller là? Non, on peut pas. On peut pas aller là-bas apparemment. Donc on va aller... Ah! Muséum. Là-bas, il y a un gardien. Il y a un gardien. Et comment on accède à la porte là-bas? C'est bien rigolo, mais comment on accède là-bas? Ah, attendez. Ah, j'ai peut-être une idée. Parce que là-bas, on peut pas y aller. J'ai pas compris comment on fait pour aller là-bas, mais... Pour moi, dans la logique des choses, il faut qu'on passe par la porte. Mais je sais pas comment on ouvre les portes. Attends. Ah! Ça pourrait peut-être nous aider, ça. Attendez. Je vais essayer de faire cette attaque. Peut-être que ça pourrait marcher. On va voir. Ah bah voilà, c'est ça qu'il fallait faire en fait. Ah oui, en fait c'était ça qu'il fallait faire. Bon, en vérité, j'aurais pu trouver tout seul, mais bon. Bah oui.
Okay. I slice the wires. Ow! Hold on. There it is.
C'est quoi ça? Ok, donc là c'est notre pote.
Okay. Okay. Let me out of security computer.
Espérons qu'il sache ce qu'il fait.
Spotlights are offline.
C'est bon, il a réussi.
There goes the laser security system. I'm working on the security gate. Presto, all clear.
Thanks, pal. For your first time out, you did pretty well.
Oh, this operation is far from complete. Now that the lasers and spotlights are offline, Murray should be moving into position for your rendezvous. I'll stay here and provide computer support while you go on ahead.
No
I'll
problem.
just take the long way around.
Memory serves, you need to jump and hit the circle button to run along road.
Il y a un hôtel ici. Alors là, les amis, j'avoue que ce jeu, il est pas mal bien. Il est quand même bien, malgré qu'il bug un peu. Mais pourquoi il y a une porte fermée là? Attendez.
Greetings, citizen. I hope you weren't harmed by my meteoric entrance.
Number, I kept it a safe distance.
Good, good. The Thunderwolf knows neither friend nor foe, only destruction.
Yeah, could you maybe channel some of that raw energy into the security gate?
Of course, it is nothing before the Murray.
Ah ok, alors. Et comment je fais? Attends. Yes. Bon, il y a un peu de lag avec ce jeu, mais bon, ça va quand même. Donc là, il fallait aller ici.
Another barrier stands before you. Fear not. I shall bend it like the truth.
Merci.
Solid work, Murray. Really in the zone.
My hulking brain is too much for that puny rope. You go ahead and unlock the door from the inside. I'll be waiting in the hallway to help you carry out the clockwork part.
Alors là, il faut faire gaffe. Parce qu'en bas, il y a des mecs qui nous surveillent. Là, on marche sur la pointe des pieds parce que... c'est ça qu'on a eu.
I don't get it, Sly. The clockwork part should be here. This is all wrong. We need to pull the plug on this operation right now.
Freeze, Cooper.
Inspector Fox, as beautiful and unpredictable as ever.
Whereas you crooks are so predictable. You always return to the scene of the crime.
Crime? I haven't stolen anything. Yet.
Oh, really? Then who broke in last night and made off with all the clockwork parts? You've got the motive.
Someone already stole the parts?
Don't play dumb with me. It might not have been him calling the dead. The method of entry and guard casualties all point to this being a claw gang job.
The Claw Gang?
Constable Neela, I allowed you to sit in on this stakeout as a favor to the Contessa. I really don't need any help. Oh, I think you might. Look at the facts. Facts! Sly Cooper's right here. I caught him red-handed. I'm just saying that there are other criminals in the world other than Sly Cooper! After him! You can't run forever!
Donc là, ça rame. Faut courir jusqu'à quand là? Parce que là, c'est. Je vous avoue que c'est chiant.
You're all going to jail.
Carmelita's just as angry as ever. She's really quite lovely when she's angry. That Constable Neela. Was a reference to the Claw Gang just a slip of the tongue? Or an intentional clue? Either way, it's our only lead on the missing Clockwork parts. Clockwork. He was consumed with jealousy for the Cooper clan's thieving reputation. Is it inappropriate to refer to him as a monster? No, not at all. What kind of person stays alive for hundreds of years with the express intention of wiping out a rival's family line? Imagine the hatred fueling that first decision to replace his mortal body with soulless machinery. Ultimately, it did the trick. Clockwork lived on. He caught up with my parents, and I wound up in an orphanage. It's there that I met my pals, Bentley, the brains of our outfit, and Murray, the brawn. They turned out to be all the family I needed. 2 years ago, I thought I'd finished it. How naive to think I could so easily put an end to that kind of hatred. And now he's back. In pieces, sure, but the threat is real. Does the Claw Gang even realize what they've stolen? I don't know what's in my future, but I won't let it be a repeat of my past.
Ouais, bon, bah, bye. On a réussi, les mecs. Continuer. Alors, donc, ça, c'était juste pour se mettre dans le bain.